Yes, Mr. Jonathan, we've had the pleasure at least to interact a lot kwa hii project. And uzuri hii project, we've supplied both the walls and the slabs. So unaweza niambia changes ama difference yenye umeona ya walls, difference yenye umeona ya slabs, what are the advantages?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to do this interview with you. I really appreciate C-Max panels and the system of construction because it is fast, reliable and easy to install. First, I've worked with the C-Max even in other projects before, and I think it's the way to go. It's the next future in the building. So among many advantages of these panels, they are fast to install and they are easy to install, and I think it's a good thing to work with you.
Oh, thank you so much. By the way, you mentioned that you worked with EPS before hapa hivi. Where was it?
I was doing a project in South Sudan.
South Sudan, mmesikia hiyo how far tumefika? Yeah, tuko na project hadi South Sudan. This is how much the product is being trusted.
Yes.
Yeah, we appreciate so much. We appreciate working with you.